How does mitigating risk play a role in structuring sports league deals?
So if you're going to enter into a sponsorship agreement, you want to draft an agreement that locks in the sponsor to the business terms and gives latitude for different people or different parts of the contract to not necessarily be fulfilled. So in the world of sports, sometimes a field board doesn't go up where it's supposed to. So if that happens, you don't want someone to be able to terminate the contract because of one immaterial part of the contract, right, or asset isn't delivered. So you look at ways to reduce risk of termination, risk of the client, the sponsor being unhappy, and you help the team get through the nitty gritty and work with the other lawyers on the other side to make it a fair deal.
Yeah.
So that is kind of how I reduce risk on that note. I mean, there's other things that where we have bigger deals. So, if you work on an expansion agreement, you want to make sure that this person is committed. Mm-hmm. And when you make the announcement, there would be huge penalties if they backed out, because that isn't something that you want. I mean, can you imagine if an NFL team granted an expansion franchise to LA, and then the owner decided he didn't really want to spend $500 million on the team or build the stadium? Yeah. So you have to really protect the interests and see what the business risk is versus the legal risk. And a lot of times in MLS, we don't necessarily have the upper hand, so you have to give on certain items, but then there's other things that you won't risk. So whether it's an indemnity provision or a rep and warranty that you do or do not want to make, you look at it in the sense of the organization, not as a specific deal.